How many of you have an audience of more than 1,000 followers online, but still you give away all of your content for free? And how many of you earn some income online, but would like to scale your business and earn even more? My name is Branimir, and I'll be talking about masterminds as the means to monetize your audience on social media. First of all, I would like to thank you for being on this page and taking time to watch my video. I know that you are very busy and that you have many things going on. That's why I made this presentation short and clear so that you get most value out of your time. By the end of this presentation, you will learn how to create and run your own mastermind without investing time and money in learning new skills. I've been involved in the self-development field for more than 4 years, and I went through through all phases, from consuming free content online from the people that I followed at that time, to the phase where I realized that I have to pay for a step-by-step programs in order to get me where I wanted to be. So recently I became specialized in masterminds, and I think that the mastermind is a great tool to connect with your audience and make a big impact on their lives. Mastermind is composed of also steps that need to be followed. And what stops many people from doing masterminds is, first of all, they don't know what to teach. What is their field of competence, what their audience would like them to teach. So that is the number one reason why many people don't create these kind of programs. The second reason is time. They don't have the time to invest in creating the program. And the final reason is the money. They don't have money to invest in courses that would teach them how to create the program and what is actually mastermind. Well, first of all, mastermind is all about getting together people who are like-minded people who are interested in same topic, to exchange ideas and experiences in order to elevate themselves by every experience. You know, when one person shares his experience, the others learn from them, from that person, and it's switched from one person to another. So the best thing about the mastermind is that you would even pay to be in your own mastermind with like-minded people who wants to hear from you. Besides mastermind, besides actually, it's not only that you coach them and get paid for your service, but actually you get coached by the participants in your mastermind, because you will learn from them, but free of charge. So mastermind is really a great tool, and I put on the whiteboard few steps that need to be followed in order to create a successful mastermind. First of all, like I said, is what to teach. I will help you to find out what is your superpower and to figure out what is the best topic to teach. I will give you a survey with the specifically designed questions that will help you to extract your knowledge. Then I will support you in creating a sale offer, meaning a title for your mastermind, then the duration, how many days, with how many participants, and at what price per seat for every participant. Furthermore, I will create a funnel for you. So the funnel is composed of 3 pages: landing page, order page, and order confirmation page. So you will get this funnel in a form of a link that your participants, that you can promote actually on your social media. And in the funnel, you know, your customers will be able to see your complete offer and to pay for getting into the mastermind immediately. I will collect the payment and you will get your share immediately. So it's all will be set up by me. You just you don't have to do anything. As for creating the structure and running the mastermind, I will give you the tools that will help you to facilitate the process of exchanging ideas and experiences with your participants. And thanks to the tools, you will be able to run the mastermind successfully. I will also create a mastermind agenda for you with a timetable to keep you always on track. And you will get also the working platform to run your masterminds with the recordings. That will be a nice gift for your participants. And in the end, I will collect the testimonials from participants so that you get so that you can use this material for promoting your events next time. As you can see here, basically I will guide you through all of the steps, and I will do many steps for you so that you can focus on what you are already doing. It is creating a content for your audience and promoting that content to them. So you don't need to learn any new skills. I will do everything for you so that you focus on promoting and running the mastermind. If you sign up today, there will be bonuses that I will give it to you. First of all, you will get three phone sessions of 30 minutes to clear all the issues and to set everything up. Of course, you will have mail support all the time, but these 3 phone sessions are for you to ask questions and to ask me everything you want, to clear actually everything you want. The second bonus is a booklet with the material that your participants will need to go through the exercises during the mastermind. So I will create this booklet for you with a nice logo and all the exercises inside. And the third bonus is a survey. The survey is designed actually with specific questions to that for you actually to get to know your audience before they come into your mastermind. So you can either choose the participants that will be accepted into your mastermind, or if we do automatic acceptance, then it's always good to know who is coming to your mastermind and what is their specific story. So I will design this survey for you, and you will get all the answers from the participants. So I believe that this is complete offer that helps you to create and run your own mastermind. You're wondering what is there for me. Well, you don't, like I said, you don't have to invest anything, because we will share the profit from each mastermind ticket. So the split is 50-50. So we will share the profit of the tickets, so that you don't have to invest any money in creating your mastermind. And I would like that we give 5% share to the charities, so that we create that abundance mindset that will be good for your participants to share their ideas and their knowledge inside the mastermind. So yeah, we will first deduct the 5% share for the charity, and then we will split the rest on even parts. There is only one payment that needs to be done, and it is the subscription fee to Mastermind Partnership Agency. The subscription fee is €200, and this fee is refundable. It means that you get your this fee back as soon as the first mastermind is completed. So this fee actually serves as a commitment from your part that you will complete the mastermind process and deliver the value to our customers. We don't want to lose time and to betray our customers. That's why there is this subscription fee that kind of push you to do the work and stay motivated until completing the mastermind. I believe that this is a fair offer, and there are more details in on the page, so read them carefully, and I hope that we'll be able to work together and create this partnership for the benefits of all. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.